I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins at the Closing Market Minute for Tuesday, October 21st. Soybeans had an up and down day, eventually ended the day down modestly following some comments about President Trump that have kind of thrown trade talks between the United States and China into some question. It remains to be seen whether or not the meeting between President Trump and President Xi will happen as expected on October 31st. Past that, soybeans, of course, continue to watch U.S. harvest activity, which could be about 3/4 complete, and planting conditions in South America. Corn did close lower, also seeing some profit taking throughout the session and pressured by harvest activity here in the United States and generally favorable planting weather in much of Argentina and Brazil. The overall solid demand outlook for corn did limit losses at least a little bit. And wheat was lower, continuing to not find a lot of new buy-in interest due to the rising global supply, despite being very oversold at this point. Chicago and Kansas City also had a little bit of planting pressure for U.S. winter wheat here in the States. Live and feeder cattle closed higher, a lot of questions about potential government intervention for beef prices, but for now, near-term market-ready supplies remain very tight. Box beef was mixed at midday though, with choice up sharply and select down. Direct cash cattle markets remained quiet during Tuesday's session. And hogs closed higher, essentially just seeing some technical support. Pork was weak at midday and cash was very narrowly mixed during the session. With the Closing Market Minute for Tuesday, October 21st, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins.